Prime Minister attends the 26th Intersessional Meeting of CARICOM Heads of Government. Jamaican diaspora in the Bahamas updated on projects completed in Jamaica. And
we're fairly comfortable that we have found the right location.
St. Mary's All-Age School to receive improved bathroom facilities. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller strengthened Jamaica's relationship with CARICOM last week through her participation in the 26th Intersessional Meeting of the CARICOM Heads of Government in Nassau, Bahamas. The meeting was held on February 26 and 27. Discussions were held on reparations for native genocide and slavery, a regional marijuana commission, financing of the CARICOM Secretariat and community institutions, emoluments and proposed pension rules for judges of the Caribbean Court of Justice and the Caribbean Knowledge Learning and Network Agency. Participants also discussed the principles to guide the identification of CARICOM candidates for international positions. Prime Minister Simpson Miller also used the opportunity of her assignment in Bahamas to update the Jamaican diaspora there on initiatives to make Vision 2030 a reality. She said Jamaica achieved all its targets under the Economic Reform Program, which is supported by the International Monetary Fund.
We welcomed new investments and built new infrastructure, including the Linstead to Monique leg of the North-South Highway. You want to come and see it? Pretty? Additionally, Jamaica's greatly improved ranking from 94 to 58 in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business report is proof that as a country we are making steady progress.
Prime Minister Simpson Miller also used the opportunity to invite members of the Jamaican diaspora in the Bahamas to participate in the 6th Biennial Diaspora Conference in Montego Bay, St. James. The conference, which will run from June 13 to 18, is being held under the theme Jamaica and the Diaspora, Linking for Growth and Prosperity. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JHW, has begun the process to remove pit latrines from the St. Mary's All-Age School in Above Rock, St. Catherine, and replace them with flush toilets. JHW, which is one of the agencies of the Office of the Prime Minister, is carrying out the project through funding support from the Petro-Carib Fund. It is expected to cost $5 billion and should get underway in the next 3 months.
We're fairly comfortable that we have found the right location. We're looking forward to the commencement of work and for there to be 8 new stalls, 5 for the girls, I think 3 or 4 for the boys, 9, a soakaway and a chamber that is going to allow for the chlorination of the water, that if it is even seeped into the gully or anything around here, that it would still be safe and environmentally friendly.
So far, JHW has replaced pit latrines with flush toilets in 33 schools across the island. Another 22 are being targeted. Government is continuing to pursue changes necessary to facilitate the digital switchover process. Minister with responsibility for information, Senator Sandria Faulkner, outlined some of the proposed changes at the 32nd annual meeting of the Caribbean Cable and Telecommunications Association.
An expanded, flexible definition of broadcasting to capture not only traditional, but new and evolving services, platforms, and technologies. Greater protection of cultural diversity and the production of indigenous high-quality content through the establishment of a local public service content fund to finance more local production of a non-commercial nature.
She added that a simplified application form for electronic communication services and other measures would also be introduced.
We are also broadening the scope and functions of the Broadcasting Commission, which is our regulatory body, to include regulating content across diverse platforms and new players.
And that's it for this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. Join us next week for the latest from the Office of the Prime Minister.